Cancer, also called malignancy, is an abnormal growth of cells. There has been more than 100 types of cancer, including breast cancer, skin cancer, lung cancer, colon cancer, prostate cancer, and lymphoma. More than 10 million people around the world die each year from cancer. Experts project cancer deaths to rise to 13 million by 2030 if we do not act now. World Cancer Day aims to save millions of preventable deaths each year by raising awareness and educating about it. Hi, this is Sana Khan, and today in this initiative, we are going to speak to Dr. Shravan Kumar. Dr. Shravan Kumar is an experienced consultant oncologist. He is currently associated with Bangladeshi hospitals and has also worked with various other hospitals all over India, like AIMS, HCG, Apollo, Manipal, etc. He has also served as a medical consultant and acting chairman for precision oncology at the Ministry of Health in the Kingdom of Bahrain. He has authored various research papers, including on management of Ewing sarcoma today and tomorrow, which was published in the Indian Journal of Radiation Oncology. He is passionate about precision oncology with active incorporation of artificial intelligence in cloud-based technology. Hello, Dr. Shravan Kumar. Welcome to MediCircle.
Thank you.
Okay. So, sir, to begin with, there are three most common types of cancer in India: breast cancer, cervical cancer, oral cancer. Are they curable? And if yes, how?
Yeah, these are 100% curable. Okay. And see, to cure in oncology, we say it, prevention is better than cure. So you need to be aware more about those things. So it starts with awareness, good awareness about the cancer, and then early diagnosis and early treatment and good follow-up. And these are the main steps for all type of cancers, and more common cancers, because these are very common in the community. So these the three cancers which you mentioned, head and neck cancer, breast cancer, and cervical cancer, are completely screenable. And if I take the cervical cancer, it is almost more than 90% is preventable with vaccination alone.
Oh, okay.
And also with the treatment with the advanced precision oncology techniques. So it is completely curable. Okay, so early diagnosis, prevention is the mainstay of treatment in cervical cancer. In breast cancer, we can also early diagnose it. Okay, and also the simple techniques like self breast examination and clinical breast examination and mammography, yearly mammography. So which will we can make a breast cancer detect early and also treat them very early stage. So now in breast cancer, we talk about the 20-year survival rate, not 5 years survival. So in the last 5 years, there is a big, because of advanced technology. So there the cancer death rate has come down almost 50%. So coming to the head and neck cancers, most of the head and neck cancers are because of the smoking and tobacco related habits.
Right.
And also it is known that head and neck cancers are caused by the HPV virus. Okay. So here also in the coming days, so HPV vaccination with the nanovalent vaccine is also more effective for head and neck cancers. So it is also one of the preventable cancers. And also, if we want to diagnose early, the simple techniques like good oral hygiene, good oral examination, self oral examination, and also clinical oral examination can bring down the head and neck cancers more than 90% to the from the present level.
Okay. With the passing years, there has been an increase in the number of cancer cases. According to a study, India, with a population of 1.35 billion, witnessed as many as 1.16 million new cancer cases and 7,84,800 cancer deaths in 2018. What are the reasons and how can they be controlled, sir?
No, one of the reason is the advanced technology and awareness. Okay, people are more aware about the cancer. So
Right.
because of the technology, communication technology, so
Mhm.
everybody has a smart technology.
Right.
So everybody knows that this information is available on the fingertips. Okay, even like in the smartphone. So
Right.
everybody knows about what is the cancer and how to prevent it.
Mhm.
And this tobacco and all tobacco people are starting initially, but later on they're leaving it because of the awareness,
Right.
and they are also detecting very early. Okay,
Mhm.
so that's why people are coming very early, and curative rate is also increased.
Okay. Doctor, a lot of people think cancer is genetic. How true is that?
No, actually, there is a big difference with genetic and the hereditary. So
Okay.
what you are talking is the hereditary cancer. It is
Okay.
not like, okay, genetic means every cancer is a genetic cancer.
Right.
Every cancer happens because of mutations.
Okay.
So every cancer is genetic, but is not hereditary. Okay,
Okay.
99% of cancers are not hereditary. It means hereditary means it transmits from one generation to next generation.
Next
Okay,
generation. Right.
so that is hereditary. Genetic means it's just a mutation or any translocation. Those are called genetic.
Okay.
Okay, so in your the lay person's language, it should be spoken as a hereditary, not as a genetic.
Okay.
Okay, so even with the cancer caused by the tobacco, also genetic, because
Okay.
tobacco changes the genetic alteration of the DNA that causes the cancer. So all cancers are genetic, but all cancers are not hereditary.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Shravan, for coming to our show and sharing your valuable time and insights with us at MediCircle. It has been a pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you. Thanks
Thank you
a lot.
so much. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you.